I am currently short in USD JPY. I'll walk you through what I have trading here starting top down. Here on the 4-hour chart, we can see the 4-hour chart is bearish. It's been bearish since Friday here. We can see here this 4-hour order block here, and then we can see this sell side delivery here being put in. In addition to that, here on the 1-hour chart, we're down here in this area, which is below the new week opening gap here. So the new week opening gap is here on the 1-hour chart, and you can see USD JPY trading below this level. In addition to that, you can see here this morning here during the London session, or just before the London session, a structure shift took place here to the sell side. So here is a swing low here, and we can see in this candle here, which is the previous hour, price action traded through here. So this London open put in a new swing low, so this is a structural shift here to the sell side. So now having the 4-hour and the 1-hour shift bearish, now I'm looking for an entry here on the 5-minute chart, or actually here I'm on the 15-minute chart. Okay, I can see why my entry is early, because I was on the 15-minute chart where I took this position here. Let's see here. Okay, I took it at the 15-minute level, which I'm comfortable with. So here you've got the order block sitting up here on the 5-minute chart. So this is the order block here. And then price action here at the start of my kill zone, which is here. You can see that price action set this level, the swing low level right here. Price action delivered to the buy side, and then when my kill zone opens, it opens within this order block and trades into the order block a bit deeper perhaps. I was looking at it on the 15-minute, but you can see here on the 5-minute, price action trades up into the order block a bit deeper here at the start of my kill zone here. And then you can see price begin to deliver to the sell side here. And then price is pulling back, and then I take this lower entry here, which was the 15-minute entry. And then you can see price consolidate here and then pull back and give an entry here to the 5-minute entry. So either one of those would work. I would stick to the lower entry here, and I've chosen a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio for this position, which would likely put my profit target maybe out of reach for these charts, and it does. So I'll head out to the higher time frames here, and we'll see if we can get a look at where profit target is. So my entry is 153.904. My stop loss is 154.435, and take profit is here at 152.310, which is a 3-to-1 for my entry point. And let's see if it lines up with anything here on the 1-minute chart. I'm not seeing anything standing out right here. Just seems like price is looking to, or at least this 3-to-1 would take profits before the swing low was reached. Yeah, it's like in between two swing lows. So I don't see a clear level here on the daily chart for a profit target. I'll take a look here on the weekly. Still same thing. I'm not seeing a technical level of any significance here. The only concern that I had for this position here is based off of this new week opening gap. So I've not traded Forex off of the new week opening gap this early. So with the 4-hour not having, let's say, a swing low broken here on the 4-hour, does give me some hesitation, but just trading this off of the hour here and just seeing if that would be enough. Price is already fairly low, but overnight price, even though it's sold off here, delivered to the buy side and then delivered to the sell side for another leg down. There's also this fair value gap here. This bearish fair value gap here that is yet to be traded into, so price could come back into it, deliver to the sell side, come back into it, body candle close over it, and continue to the buy side here. A lot of things that could happen on this position, but I'm just trying to do my best to trade my technical levels, and if I see my setup, to take my setup. So even with this 4-hour, if I look at it from an overall perspective, then yes, this is in a downtrend. So just wanting to take these trending positions if and when they present themselves. So we'll see if this position has some continuation here to the sell side. Price now mostly trading here around my entry price, and mostly consolidating up here. But price is below the 1-hour order block and is below the 5-hour order block. Look over at gold as it was setting up potentially for a long earlier, but right now it doesn't look like it is going to set up for a long, at least not in this session. But have quite a lot of work to do, and I don't believe there's enough time for it to do it. So for this London kill zone, the only thing I have on watch was this USD JPY. So this is the trade for this session. So we'll see how it shakes out here. As price is showing some sell side delivery here, and we'll see if there will be any continuation to the sell side delivery in subsequent candles. And still seeing further sell side delivery here. Price at the 153.920 level and approaching 153.900, and my entry at 153.904. prices traded through 153.94, 153.80, 153.880 currently. And price consolidating here at the 153.900 level. So less than 1 minute remaining in this 5-minute candle and 15-minute candle here. So this 5-minute candle is an inside candle. So the high or the low from the previous 5-minute candle have not been traded to. So we'll get an idea if price is consolidating and forming a tighter and tighter range before choosing a direction here, or if price is already just choosing sell side and just taking some time to deliver here. Best case scenario for this trade, we just keep delivering here to the sell side. But there's also the possibility of a return to the buy side with the fact that there's no wick on this candle here. So my price may want to return to sweep the liquidity that is resting here. So there will be a little bit of liquidity here. So we'll see if price comes back for that. And then if price comes back for that, it could continue to the buy side, or it may be sufficient enough to have it seeking sell side liquidity after sweeping that buy side. So we'll see if price goes back up to that level, or if price just continues to the sell side and delivers back below the 153.900 level. Price consolidating here around the 153.920, 153.50, 153.920, and 153.950. Showing price consolidate here. And this candle still trading inside of the previous candle, so have an inside candle and currently an inside candle within an inside candle. Now price trading to the 153.900 level, 153.880. So the low of the previous 5-minute candle is 153.871, and now a new 5-minute low has just been put in, 153.869. So we'll see if price is ready to continue here to the sell side after making a new 5-minute low. And the 15-minute low will be here at 153.844. So we'll see if price next can put in a new 15-minute low after putting in a new 5-minute low. Price still consolidating here at the 153.900 level. With my entry currently in between the bid-ask spread, and now my entry is above the bid-ask spread. And now a new 15-minute low has been put in. So we'll see if price action will continue delivery here to the sell side. And new low, new 5-minute low. And price trading below the 15-minute Previous 15-minute low, previous 15-minute candle low. And has also here has just put in a weak break of structure here. So we can see price here create this break of structure here at this level with this price leg, then price pulls back and then breaks the structure here on the 5-minute here. So this is broken here, break of structure here to the sell side. So this would show a higher probability that price would continue delivering to the sell side. So we'll see what price does here. Price consolidating here around the 153.850 level. Now headed towards the 153.820 level. And now a new 5-minute candle. And seeing a new 5-minute low and further sell side delivery. Price testing the 153.800 level and trading lower. 153.780. $153.750. Further sell side delivery here. Price trading below another swing level here in the 5 minutes and getting some sell side delivery with speed. 153.720. Price also putting in a fair value gap here on the 5-minute chart. As price is being delivered with speed to the sell side, not allowing opportunities for some orders to be filled, so they're being left behind, and this gap is forming, similar to this larger gap here that formed where I took my entry, where there are two fair value gaps here, one there and one there, and you can see I take the entry in the upper gap here. So price still trading here, 153.720, and could be headed back down to the 153.700 level. $153.700, 153.680. Further sell side delivery here with speed. $153.650. Further sell side delivery. So seeing a bit of expansion here as price is retracing the price action from the previous hourly candle, where price delivered to the sell side here, putting in this wick here on the 60-minute chart, and then to match that here on the 5-minute chart, you see this price leg here. So seeing price now come back, retest this fair value gap area or this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, and then redeliver here to the sell side, potentially for further breakdown for another leg lower. and if all goes well, into the sell side profit target for USD JPY for this London kill zone execution. And with this fair value gap coming in, it is also very possible that price in the next candle or next series of candles by the close of the kill zone here to return back into this fair value gap area here for to collect orders and then to move to a lower level, or to potentially keep delivering here to the buy side, or it may consolidate and then do one or the other as well. So I'm looking for bearish continuation from Friday. And you can see here on Friday, I was able to take advantage of some of the sell side delivery here, but my profit taking here was a 2-to-1 position. Since then, I've started aiming for 3-to-1 positions, which I would have met quite easily on this position. So learning to extend my range and learning the potential, or more of the potential for my setup. So wanting to take full advantage of it, since I only get a certain number of setups within a week, wanting to maximize these opportunities. So shifting from a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio to a 3-to-1 reward to risk ratio is my current method for doing that, to maximize my profits here on the positions that I take. This is after doing quite a bit of back testing over the weekend from last week. I'm really trying to dial in my system here. We can see price pulling back a bit here. We can see price has already created a break of structure at this level here and at this level here. So could easily see price come back to retest either of these levels, which will be, or at least there's the one fair value gap here. If this candle closes below this candle, then it will set up a second fair value gap. But this is an area of interest here, this swing low, that's an area of interest here, that swing low. This will be an area of interest here as a fair value gap, and then if this candle closes below this area here, then this would be an area of fair value as well. It would be a larger gap. You can see price pull back, and now price is redelivering here to the sell side, 153,600 level. Head back over and have a look at gold. And gold is not going to give a position here in the London kill zone. So it looks like USD JPY is going to be the position. And I'm just going to let it deliver price, and if all goes well, to the 3-to-1 profit target, well down below the current price of 153,620ish. Here, that price is consolidating at. So ideally, I'm wanting to see price trade below the current low of the previous 1 hour candle, and then to see if price will continue delivering to the sell side to lower price levels. Seeing some sell side delivery with speed here, 153,580. So now we have these gaps in place. Here's a fair value gap here, and here's a fair value gap here. We'll see if price wants to retest these breakup structure levels or these fair value gaps. So there are some points of interest to the buy side. So it's possible there could be sweep or close here, price return, then redeliver. Price could just keep delivering here, or price could turn and continue the turn. Seeing a return to sell side delivery and another potential sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, or bearish fair value gap. So two confirmed sell side inefficiency, buy side, or sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiencies, and then one potentially forming sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. And price is still delivering to the sell side and seemingly headed towards the previous 60-minute candle low. $153,550. Price still delivering to the sell side here. Consolidating here near the 153,550 level. So the previous 60-minute candle low is 153,397. So I'll stand by as price approaches that level and see what type of reaction, if any, price can make if it can reach that level. Price consolidating in here between the 153,600 and 153,50, or 153,600 and 153,550 levels. Now price trading 153,600. Sell side delivery with speed. Price back trading at the 153,550 level. trading lower, new 5-minute low. Further sell side delivery. Price still consolidating here, 153.580. Now sell side 153.550. So we'll see if price wants to deliver to the sell side a little further here, as price was trading at the 153, trading near the 153.620 level, sold to the 153.550 level, traded back to the 153 600 or 153.580 level, and then redelivered to the sell side. So to me, this appears that price action may be preparing to deliver further to the sell side, but we'll keep an eye on price action here, as now there are confirmed 1, 2, and 3 sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiencies here in this current price leg to the sell side. So lots of opportunities where orders have been left behind, as price has been delivering with speed. So we'll see if price will come back to collect any of these orders at any point in time. So there's currently no lower wick on the this current 5-minute open candle here. So we'll see if that candle closes with no wick, or if this candle delivers to the sell side here. And we've got sell side delivery on this candle. Price here still consolidating here in between the 153.550 and 153.580 levels. Price still consolidating here. So this would be the first candle that has closed the gap between the first candle and the third candle in the series here. So there will be no gap at the close of this candle, and then I'll watch price action to see if it returns to the buy side to test any of the gaps or the breakup structure levels, or if it returns to sell side delivery for a potential sweep or close below the previous 1 hour candle. And price is delivering to the buy side 153,600. So price may be headed towards the liquidity in these bearish fair value gaps here on the 5-minute chart. And we have that 5-minute candle closing up close during a bullish position, but finishing inside of the previous candle. So we'll see what this next candle does, if it remains inside of the previous 5-minute candle or if it breaks out. This one looks like it's going to break out to the buy side. And this has broken out to the buy side. We'll see if it looks like it is traded into this fair value gap here. So the high here is 153,636, and now you can see we price on USD JPY has traded into this first lower bearish fair value gap, and now we'll see if price heads up into these higher gaps and or these breakup structure levels here. So plenty of locations for price to return to here to the buy side. And we could see somewhat of a reaction here as price is trading into this lower fair value gap. You can see this wick here showing. To me, that would be an indication of this fair value gap here. Orders being filled, and then price being able to deliver to the sell side. So ideally, if this fair value gap here is going to hold price, we'll see this wick close below the fair value gap, and then ideally see a breakup structure come into place here to the sell side below this 5-minute swing low that has been recently put in. Now we can see some sell side with speed here as price is reacting from this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, or bearish fair value gap here on the 5-minute chart. Further speed coming in here, 153,520 level, and there's that sweep of the swing that I was mentioning here for this next breakup structure that has just taken place here with this wick trading through the swing low. And now we'll just see if the wick holds or if there will be a body candle close below that level in this candle or in a following candle. price consolidating here around the 153.550 level. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute and 15-minute candle. So in this next candle, we'll see if price wants to deliver to the buy side or to the sell side, as this candle has extended beyond the high and low of the previous candle. That was an inside candle. So price action starting to get a bit interesting here. Price still trading at the 153.550 level. And looking like it's headed towards a body candle close potentially below this swing low. See? And it's a wick candle close. So we'll see if this candle provides continuation. Then that would be a break of structure with a body candle close. If not, then it'll just be a wick. It'll be a wick break of structure. But either way, I would either expect a body candle close and then some continuation, or with this wick candle close, could still see further pullback before continuation. And it looks like there is no bottom wick on this candle here. So I would anticipate either price to return back to the sell side on this candle to sweep that liquidity, or in a potential subsequent candle. And we can see price being delivered to the buy side here. Price trading at about 153.650. Looking like it may want to test the high of the previous 5-minute candle, as price has traded back into this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So price has traded back into it, and we'll see if price reacts in a similar way or not. Could potentially send price back lower, or price could deliver through it as price swept this liquidity below this swing low. So when that happened, that allows price to return here to the buy side. So we'll see which liquidity point will control here. Price at 153.580. So starting to see some sell side delivery in this 5-minute candle. After a test of the bearish fair value gap, or sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Price still trading at the 153.580 level, and now back at the 153.600 level. So price consolidating here. Price approaching the 153.550 level. $153.550, and price may be putting in a new low in the current 5-minute candle here, as price trades near the low. And price still consolidating here, 153.580. So price putting in a consolidation pattern here on the 5-minute chart. So just going up and down, undoing everything it just did for the most part. Price trading now back at the 153.600 level. 153,620. Price still consolidating here at the 153,620, now 153,600. Price still trading up and around this lower bearish fair value gap here. Price headed towards 153,650. And price has put in a new 5-minute high. Price still delivering further to the buy side, putting in a market structure shift to the buy side here. And seeing some sell side delivery with speed after that swing high on the 5-minute chart was swept. Trading at the 153,620, now 153,600, 153,580, sell side delivery with speed here. Price now consolidating here at the 153,580 level. Price now trading at the 153,620 level. Price consolidating here and delivering back to the buy side here. And seeing sell side now, 153,600. $153,620. Still consolidating here between 153.650 and 153.620. Less than a minute remaining in this 5-minute candle. See how price reacts. 1 5-minute candle remaining in the London kill zone here. So we'll see how this final 5-minute candle reacts. So far that candle is inside of the previous 5-minute candle and overall has been delivering to the sell side here. Price consolidating between the 153.680 and 153.650 prices. $153.650, getting some sell side delivery here. Sell side delivery with speed, 153.620. $153.600. Price now consolidating here at the 153.600 level. 153.620. $153.650 back to the buy side here. So price consolidating here between 153.650 and 153.600 currently. And further buy side delivery here. 153.700. So seeing some buy side delivery here. Put in a new 5-minute high. Potentially price may want to come back and test this larger fair value gap and or this break of structure level here. $153.720. $153.700. $153.680. So seeing some sell side delivery. 153,650. Price currently consolidating between 153,680 and 153,650. Less than 1 minute remaining in the London kill zone. And that does it for today's London kill zone. If all goes well, price will continue to deliver here to the sell side, headed into the remainder of the London session and into the New York AM session. But until then, trade on tilt, never emotional. We'll see you next time.